Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Computer Aided Drafting class. In your handout, let's try to draw exercise number 5. Exercise number 5 is a crane hook. You can see it on the screen. On this hook, you can see that you have a ring here and then you have another circle here. These are the two circles. With this center there is one more circle here, big, and there is another circle here, big circle. Okay, the center of these circles and these circles, it is separated by 178 millimeter. Now the dimensions are given. With the help of these dimensions we can just draw. Okay, so here what you have got a radius. So this radius is missing here, but it is there in your book. It is 127 r. Okay, and all other dimensions are present here. This line appears to be tangent to this circle and this circle. Let's go to AutoCAD. Let's open a new file, ACAD ISO. I have opened it. Let me just go and fix this ortho in the bottom. It should be blue color. Go and select, draw a line. Just see, it is showing me in the pop-up window 416, and it is really very big. I need how much? I need around, let us say around 200, only this much something. I will put it here. Then I will draw one more line here, somewhere here. Enter. Now I will use Z, enter, E, enter, zoom extent, so that it is fitting the screen. Now let me offset. By how much? Offset by 178. I will offset by 178, this one down, enter. Now I have this one and this one. So let me go here to my OSNAP settings. Let me have only intersection and center. That should be okay, no problems. Now let me go. I have one circle of diameter here. How much? 44. Enter. One more circle of diameter. How much? 100. Enter. Then one more circle of diameter. Now you have got radius, so let me change it to radius. One circle of radius, how much? 64. Then I have another circle of radius, 130. Okay, so I have already got this. So what is the next job? Now if you go here to your picture and see here, see I have got a arc here, so I can use fillet command for this one. Okay, and then first let me do that. Let me go here. Where is my AutoCAD? My AutoCAD is here. So now let me go to fillet command, select fillet command, enter R, enter. Then what is the radius? 127. This is the radius, enter. Now select the circle. This is one circle and this is the other circle. See, already you finished this. Now what I will do, I will draw a line here. Go to line. I want tangent. Go to OSNAP, select tangent. Then come here. I want to remove the center because it will try to catch to the center. Remove this, tangent and tangent. Okay, enter. Now go back to picture and see what is this distance. This distance is 128, is it not? So let me go back. Now whatever thing I don't need, let me just remove it. See, I don't need this one I don't need it. I will go to trim command, which is my boundary. This is my boundary, this is my boundary, enter. I don't need this, remove it. I don't need this, remove it, enter. Okay, see, already one part is done. Now I will go to offset. Offset by how much? See here, it is 128, is it not? I will just go back, offset by 128, type and enter. Now select the line. See the cursor, it is changed. See, enter. Now see what you have got. Now I need to make a fillet here. See, go back to your drawing and see what is the fillet. R14. So now let me just go here, fillet R, enter, arbitrage, enter. Okay, select this and this. See, already it is done, finish. Now what I don't need this circle. I have to remove it. Just go to trim command, select the boundary, enter, no need of this, and click enter. See, your hook is ready. Now what I need to do, I need to just draw what I need to write the dimensions. Okay, first draw one dimension and check what is the size of the dimensions. Then let us try to modify the height and other properties. Let me go to dimensions, click on this. See the dimension, I don't see the arrow, anything, isn't it? So what I will do, I will just delete this, go here to annotate. See here on top you have got annotate. Go to annotate, and here you see dimensions, and here you see a mark. Go here, modify. Let's modify the arrows. It is 2.5. Let me make it 5. Enter. Okay, then what else is there? Let me go to text. This is 2.5. Let me make it 6. Enter. Let me go to primary unit 0.00. I don't need this. Just make it 0. Khalas. Okay. Enter. Then close. Now let's try to go back to home. Now take dimension, click on this one and see how does it look like. It's a bit better now. Okay, definitely not really very good, but it is looking to be better, because here you see the size is still, arrow is small. Okay, but when we print it, possibly we may get a better size, but still let me change it and let me increase the size little bit, both for arrow as well as the text. Go to annotate, then dimensions, modify, and then go to symbol. Here how much you have? You have 5. Arrow size is 5. Let us make it 7. Enter. Go to text, it is 6. Let's make it 8. Enter. Okay, close. Now let us try to go back home, select the dimension, and it seems to be a little bit better. Okay, what did we do now? We marked the radius. What about this circle? Let's mark it is 44. 44. For this one, see R127. Then for this one it is R130. For this one, remove this tangent because it will catch tangent. Remove it. For this one it is how much? R64. Then here you have R14. What else is left now? Now I am left with this one, the height. From which point? From this point to this intersection. This is how much? This is 178, and one more dimension. This is offset dimension. Okay, now between, let me just take this point, between this point and sorry, let me remove this ortho now. See here, 128. Okay, so with this, what did you do now? You draw the complete crane hook. Now I can even write the name. Go to text, click here, click somewhere, drag it like this. Now see, you have here. Now the size is how much? 2.5. Left side you see here 2.5. Just make it 5. Enter. Make it capital CRANE, crane hook. Okay, then click anywhere. It is taken. See, it is looking very small, is it not? Double click on that, it will open up. Highlight it, go here, make it 10. 10 is also less, but let it be there. 10. This is better. Now let me go to print. Now I have to select the printer, Microsoft Print to PDF I am doing. Then letter I will do. Then I will go to display. I will select window. Then I will hold and drag this much. Okay, I will make it center. See here, it is changing. Now I will see preview. See, crane hook. Almost your dimensions are fine. You can see it. Now the moment I say OK, it will save it as PDF file. If I don't want, I want to print the printer, then select the printer, do the job. That's all. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.